Hey guys, today's video is going to be a vlog because I've been getting a lot of requests on Christmas decor and just showing you guys how to decorate for Christmas in a very subtle way. If you guys know me, you know that that's how I like to decorate for the seasons. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you all of the Christmas decor that I have up right now, which is not much. And then I'm gonna show you the areas of my house that I think are missing Christmas decor. And then I'm gonna go and buy some. Hopefully I find everything today because knowing me, it's gonna take me like a whole week to find things to decorate the house with. But I'm gonna try my best to find everything at least prior to this video going up. And please excuse my hair. It's currently air drying. It is still wet. So if you guys saw my vlog, you would have seen my Christmas tree. This is it during the day because I showed you guys at night. Roger's Xbox over there. I have to like figure out what I'm gonna do with that situation. But I haven't really purchased anything new for it. I just have like a very earthy, like wilderness kind of theme going on. And on the bottom, I just have a couple of pieces of burlap. But I do want to get a new tree skirt, so I'll see if I find one today. I just like my tree to look more green than anything else. I don't like a whole lot, but if I do find something that I like today, then I'll go ahead and add. Next, I have my bar cart over here, which desperately needs to be reorganized, but that's okay, we'll do that later. This little tree right here is from Hobby Lobby. This right here, I do not remember where I got it. I also got it last year, I believe. Might be from Hobby Lobby as well. Not 100% sure. Next, I have this little guy right here, which I believe is also from Hobby Lobby. I swear this is not sponsored by Hobby Lobby. I just get like most of my stuff from there. Over here, all that I did was put this vase, which I got from H&M Home. I believe they still have it, and I got a tree branch, and clearly I need to hang more ornaments on there because this was like the only leftover smaller ornament that I could get for my tree, so I want to add like 2 more little balls. Over here I have my Nutcrackers. These Nutcrackers were hand-me-downs from my mom and I absolutely love them. Very subtle, they're just like black and red. They're not like super in your face. This one does have blue in it, but it's okay, it's like a navy blue. So over here in the entrance of my house, I have my loft up here, and I just put this little wreath, which was gifted to me last year. My aunt got it for me, and I believe she got it at Home Goods. So now I'm gonna show you the areas that I think still need a little bit of holiday cheer, a little bit of holiday joy, because I really don't have a lot going on right now. So over here on top of my media console, I usually always put something either on this corner or on this corner, but over here we're missing something, so I want to find something for this little area right here. So right here behind my sofa, I have my sofa table. I'm currently waiting on a candle holder for this area, but in the meantime I do want to add something festive on there. So this little area is missing something. By the way, yes, I do have a blanket on my couch because this guy over there loves to lay on my couch, and my couch is white, so that is how I protect it. I want to add maybe like a eucalyptus or some kind of like greenery on top of the runner. The tree skirt, definitely need to find one. I really want like a beige colored one. This is my entrance. I have this little table, which I got from Room and Board. I always add something festive. My island is very weird. It's like an L-shaped island, very big. So I always struggle with figuring out if I want to just leave something here or add something here and over there. So since this is a very, very neutral spot right here, I think that I can add like another little tree or something, or maybe move this tree over there and get something else for here. I forgot to mention my little wooden reindeer that I always put on my shelf every year. So I just left Kmart and Marshall's and everything just sucks. And I only found like one thing at Target and I don't even know where I'm gonna put it. I'm telling you, I find everything at Hobby Lobby and it's closed today. So this is like the worst day to do this, but I'll go tomorrow. I'm gonna pass by Michael's and see if Michael's has something, but I doubt it. I just went to Michael's and didn't find anything besides a whole lot of people in the way of everything. So I'm gonna try one more place, and if I don't find anything, then I'm just going to continue this quest tomorrow. I got these little stems, which are from Hearth and Hand, the Magnolia collection at Target. And honestly, I like to get all this stuff at Hobby Lobby because it's a lot more affordable, but I did like these because I think they look pretty real. So I just ended up getting these, and I got this vase, which is also by them. I think I'm gonna put it outside because it's just way too big for in here. But yeah, I'm just gonna take this outside and see how it looks outside as it's like stuck on my hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this here for now, and then I'll just change whatever I put in here. I'll put like real plants or dried out plants in the future, but for now, I think this looks cute. So after looking at my house, I think that for the table, I'm gonna try to get some living garland. I'm gonna get real like Christmas tree branches and make a garland myself, or if they sell them, I'll go ahead and just buy one. So it is actually Wednesday now. Last time I spoke to you guys, it was on Sunday. I'm going to continue my shopping today. I'm gonna go to Hobby Lobby because it's actually open today, and a couple more stores. Hopefully I have more luck today. I really want to go to CB2 as well, but I don't know if I'm going to have time today, so I'll probably leave that for tomorrow or something. We couldn't find live garlands in Lowe's or anywhere that we went, so we just came to the parking lot of Lowe's, and we just got a bunch of Christmas tree branches. We tried to get the softest ones that we can find, and I'm gonna attempt to make my own garland. We'll see how this turns out.
People thought we were building a Christmas tree.
People were wondering what the hell we were doing because my entire trunk is full of Christmas tree branches. So this is what we are working with. So we just got back from Pottery Barn and CB2, and from Pottery Barn I got this little deer right here. Very plain and simple deer. I got one little Christmas tree, another little Christmas tree, and another little Christmas tree. And this is all that I found today. It's for right here for now. Please excuse Dexter fighting with my curtain. So I got these candle holders at IKEA, and these are all of the tree branches that you guys saw. This is what I had purchased from Target. I just left it here in the middle, and honestly I like the other kind of pine tree, I think they're called. I'm not sure what the name is, but I like the other kind of garlands that lay flat, but they didn't have any in my area. I would have had to order it, so I just used a bunch of scraps of Christmas trees. For this little corner, I mentioned that I wanted something, so I just got these 3 little Christmas trees. Roger says they look nothing like Christmas trees, and now that I look at it, they don't really look like Christmas trees, but I kind of like that. Like, I like having certain things that look very Christmassy, and then I like throwing in other things that you can't really tell if it's like Christmassy or not, if that makes any sense. On this little corner, I had this over here, so I just put it on this side. And I never take these out. Like, this is like my year-round decor. This candle was already there, and then I just added 2 little pine cones. You guys know that I love decorating with pine cones. But yeah, this is what the sides look like. So for the bar area, I did have the little fake Christmas tree that you guys saw in the beginning, but I took it out because I did this little garland in the middle of here, and if I had a Christmas tree over here, garland over here, and another Christmas tree over here, I just thought it was gonna be too much. So I just did this. You guys saw me do this with the same branches, so obviously this was free. I moved my other two candle holders somewhere else, and I put the gold ones because I like the contrast between the brass and the green of the Christmas tree branches. These are from CB2. Another thing that I might do in the future if I get bored of this is just put the thicker candles in like a bunch of different sizes lined up through the middle, like in between the garland, and take this out. I think that would look very beautiful as well. If I do end up changing this, I'll eventually show you guys like in a vlog or something, but for now this is what we have. I did the same thing that I had outside with the pine cones because I kind of like adding a little something to the garland. I don't like for it to just be green. So that's what that looks like. So this is my tree. I didn't add any extra ornaments to it. I kind of just left it with this kind of like foresty, earthy theme. I've been using the same ornaments since last year. I got all the little animal ornaments at Target last year. I got these little berry things at Hobby Lobby last year, and the majority of my like ball ornaments are from Kmart from last year, I believe, and I just got like 3 different ones. I have a mixture of pewter, silver, gold, and I really like how it just like everything goes together. Next year I am gonna get different lights though, because I'm not crazy about these lights. These are just the standard original lights. I want to get like smaller, daintier lights for next year's tree. But yeah, I didn't want to go crazy. I like my tree to look very green. So yeah, so my skirt, I told you guys that I needed a new skirt, and I got this one. It's just a kind of like linen skirt. I should probably steam it, but it's gonna be covered with presents either way. So it's just a linen light beige skirt. I wasn't too sure about the ruffles, but now that I look at it, I kind of like how it looks because it gives everything a cozier, more like charming vibe. That's what it looks like. So in the middle, I just left everything that I normally have, and I mentioned this H&M little vase, and I put a candle in it. I just think it looks so like cozy when I light the candle up. So over here, I said that I had needed something, and this was originally over here, and I did like how it looked against the white better. But if you look at all this, like I'm not crazy about all of this green and then my Christmas tree green and then having something else green here. So I just left that over there. If I find something else, maybe I'll just change that up because you can't really see that tree. But I would like something a little taller and something that has a little bit more contrast between the white. But that's what I have going on for now, because I did like how this tree looked over here next to my little sign, and I did put Merry Christmas on it. Over here, I was gonna get more ornaments for this. This vase is just like the matching vase to the one that I have on my island. Tried looking for other smaller ornaments, and everything that I found was so cheap and cheesy looking, so I don't know, I'm just gonna leave the one little ornament there for now. But I think it looks cute. It adds a little Christmas touch to this corner. And then I showed you guys that right above I have my little deer. This was a hand-me-down from my mom, and I don't remember where she got it. Over here I showed you guys my 2 Nutcrackers. So these were hand-me-downs from my mom, but I'm pretty sure that she got them at Pier 1. And then I just put some pine cones, which I've been doing this since like the beginning of fall. So on my sofa table in this corner, I just put 2 pine cones. It's not that Christmassy, but yeah, this is what I have going on here for now. Nothing too crazy. All of this is the same, and then I have the little deer that I bought at Pottery Barn. Here they have this in like 3 different sizes, I think, but I wanted something small for this area right here. And then finally, for the front area, this is like the front of my house, like the little office area right at the entrance of my house, I just put more branches and I kind of just creep them around the back, and I put 2 pine cones to just tie everything together. And I really like how this little area turned out. Over here in the top, this is what it looks like in better lighting, and I always put it up there every year because that is the entrance of my house. So the first thing you see when you walk in is that, and I love it. It's just a very subtle little hint, you know. So it's a little bit later on in the day because I wanted to close out this video, obviously, and I wanted you to see the tree a little later on in the day. So yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little Christmas decor tour. Again, I know that this is very subtle decor. This is how I personally like to decorate for every holiday. This is actually the holiday where I think I decorate the most, but I always like to keep it very subtle and minimal because I do not have a lot of storage. You know, using all these things for like a month tops, and then I have to store everything. I just try to keep it to a minimum. So if you guys were expecting it to look like Christmasville in here, I'm sorry if you were very underwhelmed, but this is how I like to decorate. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.